How to create a Signal account. Are you guys facing issues to create a Signal account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To create a Signal account, first download the Signal app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Continue. Signal will ask permission for your access contact and send notifications. Tap Allow to proceed. Now enter your phone number and tap Next. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code through your SMS. Enter the code to verify a number. Then set your profile by entering a name and adding a photo if you want. Next, create a secure 4-digit PIN that you'll use to protect your account settings. Confirm it to complete the setup. That's it. You are now ready to start messaging privately on Signal. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.